Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing an unboxing of Stitch Fix. So I originally wasn't going to do this because when I got my box, I wasn't too happy. I just looked at everything and I thought, nah, not even worth it. But then I kept staring at it. My friend Catherine May also did one, and since mine did have a lot of sportswear in it, I thought it made sense to at least show you guys because now I think I have a change of heart. So I will show you what I mean in just a second. Okay, so this is the box. Comes with a few things. I obviously already opened it up. And then it comes with, oh, hello. It doesn't come with all these pieces, but it does come with like one or two of each of these, and then it just shows you how you can style them yourself at home, which I thought was kind of neat. So I got the dress, and then it's showing a couple of different cute ways that you can dress it up or dress it down. So I liked that. And then it also came with the pricing. This is kind of what it looks like. I did have a little bit of sticker shock at the end, so I was like, if I wanted everything, it's going to be about $200. Holy cow. But yeah, so it tells you your stylist's name, it tells you all the stuff that it comes with, the color, the size, and then the cost for each item in case you wanted to get it. Although the $20 styling fee does apply, then like your monthly fee applies to this order. See, and then you just go and you let them know what you want to keep, what you don't want to keep, and then it also comes with one of these bad boys, so that anything that you don't want to keep, you can just shove back in here and you can send back, and then you don't have to pay for it. Okay, so as you can see, I do like dressing in sports gear or just really comfy, laid back clothes. I do like dressing up sometimes, especially on Sundays for church, or just like a day of going out. It's always fun, but I'm more of a laid back kind of girl. So that's what I told them. I told them that I like athletic gear and I've been working out more, so that's what I want. And then the second thing is I'm going on a trip to Cancun in July, so I'm looking for items for stuff like that. Now, at first I had sticker shock because I'm thinking, whoa, it's over $50 each piece. That is way too expensive. However, it's really not in a different way. I don't mind paying a higher price, and lately I've been switching out my wardrobe quite a lot. I don't have a whole lot of stuff left. I've been trying to get rid of all the cheap stuff, the torn stuff, the stuff that I just know is sitting there and I'm never ever gonna wear again, no matter how much nostalgia is attached to it, no matter how much I think I'm either gonna fit back into it, no matter if I think it's gonna come back into style. I'm like, it's just not worth keeping around, and I would really like to switch out my pieces. I don't always do the greatest job figuring out pieces on my own, if that makes sense. I like to go into stores and see what's on display and then base my decisions off of that. I like to online shop on Fabletics because of the fact that they're displayed together on the model and you can see the whole outfit. And I'm like, yes, that's the outfit that I want. So piecing it together on my own is not something that I'm super great at. Actually, the next video that I'm going to do for an unboxing is Fabletics because I got some stuff off of that too that I want to show you guys. I want to get things that are better quality. I'm very, I won't say picky, selective. I'm very selective of things I like. So it's harder for me to say yes to an item unless it's a hell yes, must have item. So, okay, getting into it, we'll start with the sports stuff then. So I saw these, and at first I was like, these look kind of big. Are they gonna fit me? Yeah, they actually fit nice and snug. I really liked the color of this. I like the feel of it. It's really airy. Part of the reason I like it is because you can see the side of the leg. It kind of goes up a little bit, and I've been really liking that style. I've been seeing that on girls walking around. Oh my gosh, that looks so nice, and it emphasizes your rear end nicely because I don't have a voluptuous rear end, so it's always nice to kind of emphasize. But part of the reason that I like this so much also, it said on there that it was reversible, so I could have the black shorts and or the gray shorts. And then this is one of the bras. I looked at it and I thought, wow, that goes way too high up my chest, and I have one like that and I like it, but it's just not as comfortable as some of my other ones. And then I saw the back, and the back looks super cute, but the material is so soft, and I guess what I would consider this is medium impact. So this could probably be good for light cardio, even maybe running too. I felt like they paired that together really well. And the next thing that was fitness wise, this was from Beyond Yoga. I did like it. I do like these female muscle tees. I like that it has this tie here. In the back it just has that little thing. I don't know if you can see how translucent this is, but it is a little see-through, but it is really, really soft. It is, I feel like the fabric itself is just really nice. Although I don't know that I would pay $60-ish for something like this when I know that I could probably go somewhere else and have something that is pretty high quality that's about half the price for something that's like that. Okay, so going into this one I liked the color, did not like the fit of this. I thought if anything this would be the only keeper just by straight up staring at it. And then I tried them all on, and this is one of the ones I liked the least, if I can figure this out. There we go. So I liked this. I thought it was pretty cute. I mean, it's pretty basic. Just wear something like this with jeans. As soon as I tried it on, I realized how long it was and how loose it was around my waist area. Instead of accentuating my body, I feel like it just makes it look worse. I'm a pretty short gal. This one goes way too far down for me. So maybe if I was a little bit taller or something, it would be different. And then I saw this, and at first I didn't even completely unfold this. I looked at this and I thought, and everything else was like fitness. So I looked at this and I was like, oh no, I'm not going to do yoga pants in these prints. That's awful. And I unfolded it a little bit and it looked like yoga pants. So I was just like, no, hell no. And so, yeah, I decided to give it another look. Of course, it's a dress, it's a maxi dress. I really love maxi dresses. I love long, flowy, beachy type dresses. However, because I'm only 5'2" and I'm barely at 5'2", I'm always stepping all over them. And I know I can get them hemmed and stuff like that, but it's just so difficult for me to find one that fits me the right way. It always feels like it's meant for longer torsos or just longer bodies in general. But this one is so soft. I love the pattern. And then when I tried it on, I felt like it fit me so well. And I actually ended up loving it. So I'm going to keep this one and I'm going to bring it to Cancun with me. I think that's going to be so nice to have. Okay, so now with my concern about pricing, I was trying to decide whether I was going to keep these items or not, because I do get a decent amount at Fabletics. Half the time I forget to pause or skip my month, so then I end up getting like credits and stuff, which is fine, because if I were to put money toward getting something, I would like Fabletics, you know, and especially come summertime and I want to have the motivation to work out. And that's what drives me and motivates me. If I can get new stuff that I'm excited about and I'm comfortable in and I feel really good about myself in, and yeah, it just gives me that extra drive. So let me know if you guys are like that too. So with the pricing thing, I did see that they have that Afterpay, so you can split it up into 4 payments. That makes it sound so much more manageable. So if you guys were not knowing about how Stitch Fix works, I hope that this helped you, and whether you decide that you're gonna try it or not, and maybe the Afterpay thing helped you decide whether that's something that's doable for you guys. I hope you guys like this video. I love you guys. I appreciate you. I'm super sweaty. I'm sorry, it's really humid in my house. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day.